In this comprehensive review, we explore 5 of the best air fryers in 2025, ranging from premium all-in-one cookers to affordable models with surprising power and performance. Whether you're cooking for one or feeding a family of 6, there's something here for everyone. Number 1. Russell Hobbs Satisfry Dual Basket Air Fryer. Designed for multitasking kitchens, the Russell Hobbs Satisfry Dual Basket Air Fryer includes 2 independent cooking zones, allowing you to cook 2 different foods at once, with no flavor transfer. Its sleek digital interface and 10 preset functions make it beginner-friendly yet powerful enough for experienced home cooks. Why you should buy it. If you're often cooking multiple dishes at once, or you're part of a family that eats in waves, the Satisfry is a game-changer. Its reliability, ease of use, and dual basket design make it the top pick for family kitchens. Number 2. Ninja Crispi Air Fryer. Sleek, compact, and powerful, the Ninja Crispi is one of the most stylish air fryers of 2025. It features 360 degrees hot air circulation, 8 smart cook settings, and a crisping technology that lives up to its name. Great for small households or tight kitchens. Why you should buy it. Perfect for individuals, couples, or students who want a premium crisp finish without a bulky appliance. It's affordable, compact, and efficient, offering Ninja's reliability in a smaller package. Number 3. Kalorik Vivid Touch Touchscreen Air Fryer. For those who want smart kitchen tech at a budget price, the Kalorik Vivid Touch is unbeatable. With its vibrant LED touchscreen, large capacity, and 12 pre-programmed options, it brings modern sophistication to everyday cooking. Why you should buy it. If you love style, simplicity, and smart features, without breaking the bank, the Kalorik Vivid Touch offers unbeatable value. A budget-friendly choice that still feels premium. Number 4. Ninja Double Oven Air Fryer. This is not just an air fryer, it's an entire double oven system. With FlexDoor technology, a full-width true surround convection oven, and dual cooking zones, the Ninja Double Oven takes countertop cooking to a whole new level. Why you should buy it. If you're replacing or supplementing your oven, or love cooking large meals, the Ninja Double Oven is the ultimate kitchen upgrade. It's an investment, but one that replaces multiple appliances with a single device. Number 5. Ninja 5-in-1 Grill and Air Fryer. Part grill, part air fryer, and 100% versatile. The Ninja 5-in-1 gives you the ability to grill indoors with real char marks while also air frying, roasting, dehydrating, and baking. Perfect for meat lovers and meal preppers. Why you should buy it. Ideal for people who want grilled flavor all year round. It's one of the most versatile all-in-one air fryer grill combos on the market. Great for small apartments or those without outdoor grill access.